Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a cruise back seat. First, ensure your vehicle's rear area is clear of any obstructions. You will start by removing the lower seat cushion. Find the front edge of the seat, near the passenger and driver sides, and pull up with significant force. This action will disengage two clips holding the seat in place. Once the front clips are disengaged, gently push the entire seat base towards the rear of the car. This will unhook the back portion of the seat from its mounting points. As you lift the seat out, remember to carefully feed the seat belts through their respective slots. The bottom cushion should now be completely free and ready for removal. With the bottom cushion removed, it's time to tackle the seat backs. First, fold down both sections of the rear seat. Next, remove the trunk mat to reveal a metal bracket at the base of the seat backs. You will find 3 bolts, typically 15 millimeters, securing this bracket. Carefully loosen and remove these bolts to free the bracket. After the bracket is loose, lay the seat backs down. Grab the lower corners where the seats and bracket meet, pulling them towards the front of the car. Then, pull the seats directly upwards to release them from the connecting rods. When reinstalling, reverse these steps, ensuring all clips engage securely and seat belts are properly positioned for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.